I was debating whether to put this video on my YouTube channel, as all the footage was not filmed by me, but as I found the memory card, and I believe, all intents and purposes, that the video would have been lost from a drone, I've decided to edit it a little bit and put it on my YouTube channel. I believe this is the Who fault on the River Melville Way. I know there's another fault, but it looks like Who to me. I don't own a drone, but the video footage was rather good. Obviously the person who's been flying the drone has got quite a bit of skill of flying it. As I said, the actual memory card was found in the Rainham Country Park. It was on a rainy day. I did have a lot of trouble getting the files off. The card was quite corrupted. I used some software to find out what was on the card. Some of the files were unreadable or too corrupted, but I managed to get the video footage off. Please comment below.